left to the Chief Minister to say, sir, budget बढ़ाइए.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the Mega Rise initiative for the Ummeo catchment today, a vital step towards enhancing water security in Meghalaya. In collaboration with Germany's KfW Development Bank, the program aims to restore ecosystems and ensure sustainable water sources for Shillong with an investment of rupees 344 crores. Alongside this, the Sustainable Land Management Meghalaya project SLM was inaugurated to promote organic farming practices and improve market access for farmers.
Applause, please.
The importance that we give to our environment matters. The importance that we give to our farmers matters. And today is a testament of that commitment of ours to show you that we care about the environment, we care about the water, we care about our farmers, we care about our community. Yes, we want to move towards, the 10 billion mark that we are targeting.
The 3 autonomous district councils of